to fix apps not downloading or not installing in Windows 10 Store. I will show you the 4 steps. Watch this video carefully. So first is, if you are facing any problem to downloading and installing your app from Store, then go to Start. This is the first step. Okay, go to Setting and then go to Update and Security, and here click on Troubleshoot. Scroll down and here you will see Windows Store apps. So here Troubleshoot, just click on it and run the troubleshooter. So sometime if you are lucky, it will fix your Windows Store issues. Okay, so after completing this troubleshooting, if you're still facing problem, then I will show you the second step. Okay, if you're still facing problem, then second method is go to Start, Setting, and then go to Apps. Here find the app Store like this, and here you see Microsoft Store. Click on it and then click on Advanced option. Here you will find the option like Reset. So reset the app. So this will reset your app to fresh copy. So this is a second method. Okay, done. So the third step is go to Store. Okay, then go to see more option here and then go to update, download and updates, and here click on get update. So it will update your Microsoft Store. Okay, so click on get update. This is the third method. If you're still facing problem, the fourth option is very powerful. So watch this carefully. So go to Start and here type PowerShell like this, and open the PowerShell, run as administrator. Okay, and here you need to paste a code. I have given this code in my video description link. So just copy and paste the code here and hit enter. After hit enter, it will take few seconds to complete this task. So after complete, just close this and open your Windows Store, and this time it will fix your Windows Store issues. So as you can see here, download is going on. So it fixed my problem. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.